Hello, this is Kate from Kateri Beauty, and this is Hoba. This is by far my favorite daily oil. And if I could give it a funny name, it will be the snake oil of oils because it literally does everything. And let me start with the ingredient. So, jojoba or hoba oil comes from those beautiful beans. Look how cool they are. They are literally just like, they look kind of like these big beans. They come from the jojoba or jojoba shrub, and they're dried and then they're cold pressed. So just imagine you take a piece of paper and try to squeeze water out of it. It's hard, right? So the yield is very small, and this is why cold press oils are very expensive, because it's not much that you can produce, and you need to have a lot of seeds in order to get the oil. But the benefit of the cold pressed oil is that all of the nutrients are preserved, because if you heat up the stock, if you heat up the seeds to get more, or if you macerate to add a little bit of water to get the production of oil faster or more, to get more yield, then you reduce the quality significantly and you kill all of the beneficial vitamins in the oil, which makes this not a very good idea, right? So this is why we only cold press oils. And Hoba or Jojoba is one of the most wonderful natural elixirs for skin. Why it's so good is because it's naturally hyperallergenic, it's naturally pH neutral, and it's wonderful for anyone with skin, literally for anyone, from babies. My kids grew up on it from day one. You can use it on cradle cap, you can use it on like for diaper rashes, you can use it for after bathing a baby, you can use it for anyone from, again, from 0 to any age. So this is our retail packaging, and this would last you probably daily use a couple of months. I love to overuse jojoba oil because I love it so much. I use it as a cleanser, as a moisturizer, as a makeup remover, as a kind of like a conditioning oil for cuticles, for hands. I blend it with rose water and make it kind of like a water-based cleanser. Jojoba oil is actually not an oil, but it's a plant wax, and that's why it's so close. Well, it's actually very close in chemical composition to the natural sebum or natural oils of your skin. And when you use it, this is why the skin doesn't react to it, because it doesn't feel any different. It feels that you've just added something that skin already has in it. So I would suggest using Hoba as your morning and night cleanser. It tackles all kinds of things like makeup, mascara, tough lipsticks, any type of makeup jobs that went wrong too, very, very easily. It's very light, it's very fast absorbing, and it doesn't leave anything greasy, and it doesn't clog pores. It's non-comedogenic. You can also use it to balance skin sebum production, right, to prevent acne, breakouts, whiteheads, and all kinds of other skin conditions. And again, it's very natural, for very safe and effective for skin, because it has pH neutral balance. You can use it for skin or for hair. For gentlemen, we can suggest it to use it for instead of a beard lube, and you can use it for your beard or for your hair, for your cuticles, for scalp and whatnot. So we have a couple of different sizes, and this will be in the kit. If you have any of the Kateri kits, usually you would have a jojoba oil in it, because it's a must-have for anyone starting with the clean and slow beauty rituals. And if you want to make your own recipes, we have a larger size for the refills, and every package will have, like the retail package will have an extra cork, because the cork will be, it's a natural ingredient. It helps to prevent oxidation of the product, and also it looks good and it's biodegradable. So these are all of the items. And the way you would use jojoba oil, just really quickly, we love using it on slightly wet skin, and preferably when it's warm, because when the skin is warm, then you have pores that are more receptive to receiving the oil. And water usually is what creates the moisture, but the oil is what seals the moisture. So as you can see, I just put it on a slightly wet skin, and then just effortlessly blend it with the water. So it's very, very easy to use, and it just has this velvety feel, and it has no scent. So which is really cool about jojoba oil is that it has pretty much zero scent. Use it daily in the morning for cleanser, for moisturizer, and in the evening again to cleanse your skin of the makeup and from all of the things that you have accumulated outside during the day. And it's wonderful for all of your family, for the kids, for adults, for gentlemen, for ladies, for anyone. Thank you.